No AI project will be successful without a solid, rock-solid data foundation. Everybody's excited about AI, but their AI may not be ready for leveraging the data they have in its current state. Given the obvious hype about AI, senior leadership teams at companies are very interested in exploring it and investing in it, right? But what I also see a challenge is that they may not fully understand how to apply it in their organization. So their data foundation has to be brought up to the mark where it can produce the predictable results and reduce hallucinations and give them the accuracy that they need. We believe that AI is a game changer and also understand that it is very new and there's a lot of options you can look at to leverage AI. But our fundamental belief on top of that is that no AI project will be successful without a solid, rock-solid data foundation. They should also kind of assess themselves on the AI maturity curve. The dabblers tend to be more people who are just experimenting, but if they don't start at the top of the organization saying, we're going to set aside a budget, we're going to set aside a team, we're going to apply some change management principles to really make this a key initiative for our organization, those are the ones that tend to move forward in a much more systematic and can also demonstrate the ROI and metrics by applying AI to some of the business challenges they're trying to solve. Once they do a couple of pilots, they will see the potential of that, but also realize that they need to get the data foundation ready, whereas the routine tasks can be done by AI. And I think that'll happen over the next 12 to 18 months. Beyond that, as some of these things develop, some of the more multi-agent workflows start coming in, then the next level of tasks may be able to be tackled by AI, and then makes kind of complex workflows around decision making and leveraging multiple sets of data, which are hopefully have been curated and ready to be given to the RAG, so that AI can leverage the right data, because the foundation has been laid to make the results so that the results are verifiable and hallucinations are minimized, and customers have confidence in the ability of these agents to actually produce the real results. So having a plan and then putting the actionable resources that are accountable for that in an organization, and then working with experts that can help them solve or implement these agents and lay the data foundation for them, is the right way to go if they want to move fast. But how do we make them feel that, hey, this is a measurable business outcome and an ROI, and we are going to drive that with our expertise. Laying out a vision with them, saying, hey, if you can give you visibility into all these things that you want to do with AI, and how do you measure them at the top as a board or the leadership team with quantifiable metrics and outcomes, that should be our goal.